Service is at the heart of the customer experience, and with expectations higher than ever, organizations are under pressure to resolve issues faster, more efficiently, and with greater transparency. This starts with an intelligent, integrated platform, connecting customer service and field service to deliver easier, faster, and smarter outcomes across the entire service lifecycle. The result? A great customer experience and a unified service resolution. Customer service requires delivering connected, intelligent experiences across every touchpoint. With SAP, organizations can unify service processes from the first customer interaction to issue resolution, field service, and final invoicing, all seamlessly integrated with the core ERP, supply chain, and asset data. This end-to-end visibility enables customer service agents to act faster, resolve smarter, and personalize interactions with confidence, backed by real-time data, AI-driven insights, and automated workflows that extend far beyond the CRM layer. Unlike siloed solutions, service is deeply embedded in the SAP Business Suite, uniting service apps, data, and AI, empowering organizations to innovate and grow at their pace. Whether you're modernizing contact centers, optimizing field service, or transforming service into a growth engine, with SAP, service becomes a strategic differentiator, increasing customer satisfaction, lowering cost to serve, and unlocking new revenue opportunities with every interaction. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore the system in action and see how SAP delivers value through our solution capabilities and integrated end-to-end service processes. We will begin with omni-channel customer service. As a customer service representative, I have a customer who has called in reporting an issue with a pump. Here in SAP Service Cloud, I have full visibility into the customer profile, timeline of interactions, cases, products, as well as a service contract maintained in SAP Cloud ERP. This highlights a key SAP Business Suite advantage: ERP data integrated across the service value chain. After reviewing the customer's information, I create a case and a service request. While the embedded knowledge base could assist with immediate resolution, in this scenario, a technician needs to be dispatched to resolve the issue. Subsequently, a service order is created in Cloud ERP, as shown in the document flow. Meanwhile, I can also open the service order directly for additional context with the estimated duration, service items, cost, reference objects, and much more. After reviewing the service order, I release it, triggering the order to be scheduled and dispatched in Field Service Management. Beyond the traditional workflows, service agents have several AI tools to enable them to act smarter and faster. In this scenario, I generate a customer service response, referencing the case details, while mentioning a technician appointment will be scheduled. Now switching to the dispatcher, I see the order with key details like the service order ID, contract, and much more, showing seamless data flow across the SAP Business Suite. Before assigning the job, I review the AI-generated equipment insights, which provides a concise and relevant summary to support informed dispatching decisions. Next, I let auto-scheduling assign the jobs based on predefined policies, boosting productivity and minimizing manual errors, especially in high-volume service and appointment-centric field service. Now that the schedule has been optimized, I'm making a few intraday adjustments to respond to the real-time changes in the service environment. To support this, I use planning simulations, which allow me to test different scenarios safely without impacting the live schedule. Once I'm confident in these adjustments, I apply them to the actual plan, ensuring minimal disruption and more efficient use of resources. Lastly, as a dispatcher, I need to respond quickly to high priority or emergency work. While the scheduling engine can handle this automatically, I can also interact with Joule, SAP's AI-powered co-pilot. Joule helps me identify urgent jobs and suggest the best matching technician based on criteria like availability, skills, or other policy-driven variables. It understands natural language, so I can simply type in my intent and Joule responds with relevant insights or actions. This makes it easier to manage last-minute changes and boost my productivity when handling ad hoc scenarios. With the work dispatched, I now take on the role of the field service technician and open the original service order for the pump created by the service agent. Before getting started, I generate an AI-powered equipment summary, which gives me the relevant context on the asset and its service history, helping me prepare for the job more effectively. After completing my pre-work order debrief and learn the specifics of the job, I begin a digital form that serves as a guided work instruction. These forms are completely configurable based on the specific task and designed to be used online or offline. I upload repair photos with markups, enter a date and a time, collect signatures, and add other key details as required. Finally, I confirm my time spent on the job and capture a customer's signature to be included on the service report. The service report is generated and workflows send the reports to all necessary stakeholders. In the back office of the field service unit, the job is now closed. Meanwhile, I can generate an AI-powered activity summary showing me the problem description, root cause, and resolution, giving me a relevant and succinct summary. Meanwhile, on the Attachments tab, I view the report that was generated in the field, helping ensure compliance and traceability for all field service activities. As an optional step, I can review time, expenses, mileages, and materials before syncing to the ERP. Everything looks accurate, so I approve and update the order. Now back in SAP Cloud ERP, the service order is now complete, fully billed and invoiced, with full visibility into costs, including plan versus actuals, confirmations coming from FSM and its corresponding status, a granular margin analysis on the individual order, billing details and relevant output items, as well as all related transactions, from material reservations to service contracts and service confirmations. Furthermore, the document flow clearly links to related info, including the billing document, where I can drill in for more information. While reviewing the billing document, I also trigger an AI summary of the invoice, which provides a crisp overview of all key information in an intuitive way. Shifting to the Service Manager, a major differentiator of service with SAP is the end-to-end data orchestration, enabling service organizations to continuously assess financial performance and margin analysis. In this example, I review cost and margins at a macro level for the customer, with the ability to drill down by criteria such as individual service order margins. Finally, on a service contract level, I see strong margins, healthy revenue versus cost, and a profitable contract. That wraps up this short demo on service management with SAP. But the greatest measure of our impact is always reflected in the success of our customers. Let's take a look at a few customer-validated examples of what they've achieved using SAP's service management solutions. Ready to take the next step in transforming your service organization, unlocking value, boosting resilience, and leading with intelligence? Let's connect or visit our website to learn more.